Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I'm showing you my Chanel Blythe, which is a rainbow high body and Blythe hair in her, we're calling this her pastel goth dress. And J Dolls UK and I are hosting the Dolls Gone Goth again, and I'm so excited. And we give the themes on the 9th of each month, or a reminder, and then the Dolls Gone Goth is always on the 16th of the month, unless there is a Friday the 13th. I love this doll. I gotta tell you, she just makes me smile. She is different and weird and funny, and I love her. The theme this month is pastel goth. Now you interpret that any way you want. There are videos on pastel goth, but Jay and I just do this for fun. We're not the goth police. We do not care how you dress your dolls. What we care about is you have fun, we have fun, and we get together and play with our dolls. I want to announce another upcoming goth challenge in September, and we wanted to give you a heads up now so that if you wanted to do a custom or something, you would have time for that. We're going to do dark fairies in September. That would be September the 16th. And you can do anything you want. You can take your regular goth doll and just make wings, or you can do a full custom or anything. Just show your goth dolls out in the fairy. Like I said, Jay and I are just having fun with this, and we want you to have fun too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Be sure to go to Jay's and see her announcement for the pastel goth, and subscribe to both.